Children love to play in snow and ice, but sometimes if they live in areas where there are no snow and ice opportunities, they can create their own. For this experiment, we have blocks of ice. We just put water in milk cartons. We have salt, and we have food coloring. Once the ice is frozen, you will take it out of the package. You want to make sure you have trays for when the ice is melting so that the water has somewhere to go. You start with the block of ice, and you take some of the salt and just sprinkle on the top so that it starts melting the ice to the consistency that you want it. Over here we have a block of ice that we had already started melting. Once it starts melting, you can use your food coloring and just do some drops on the ice block, different colors. We have some blue and we have some red. They can use as many colors as they want to create as many designs as they want on their block of ice. What we have learned from this experiment is that salt will melt ice. In the wintertime, when the roads are icy, trucks come around, salt the surface, which makes it easier for getting around. We've also learned that these make pretty designs, all of the colors. You've had fun making memories with your children.